The chief challenges that we face on the farm and as a farmer today are dealing with the decreased profit margin. Things are becoming tighter and tighter and tighter, and you're having to increase efficiency, you're having to optimize your resources, and you're having to innovate and come up with new ways to optimize and optimize your resources and margins. And farmers do wear many hats, and it's the type of hat and what hat we're going to put on each day is, you never quite know. In any given day, the type of hats we can put on are plumbers or electrician, finance, hedging, business, payroll, chemist. It's countless things, and everything changes. I mean, you almost have to be a jack of all trades. We utilize GPS, auto steer, variable rate fertilizers, variable rate nitrogens. Combining, we harvest the data and we track every little thing, down from the amount of diesel fuel that we use in a field to the amount of seeds or the soil type, and what the amount of seeds that go onto that certain soil type. That's leading us to, make changes and do things. And as farmers, we care more about the environment probably than most people even realize, because if we don't take care of our land and the environment around us and it starts changing, then our idea and our dream of passing it along down to our next generations to come fades away. The technology we're using is meant to not only increase margins, but it's more directed towards our environment and preserving what we have. When I first entered NC State, I didn't have direction. I was just kind of being pushed into the path, and NC State has built me to be the person I am. Every opportunity, the College of Ag and Life Sciences has been unbelievable. Everybody is there to help you, and if all you have to do is ask.